Welcome back, y'all. Today we're going to get right into this recipe. We are making homemade strawberry lemonade. These lemons are looking good and ready to be squeezed. So we're going to first start off with our simple syrup. We're going to be taking 2 cups of water and we're going to be adding 2 cups of sugar. And we're going to let that boil for about 10-15 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. All right, y'all, let's get to squeezing these cute little lemons. We're going to try to get as much juice as possible out of all of these lemons that I have. We should get about a cup, but we'll see what we can squeeze out of them. But you want to aim to get about 1 cup to 1.5 to 2 cups of lemons. And if you don't get that much, that's okay. Don't forget, we'll be adding strawberries as well, so the strawberries will help us get enough juice. So let's move on to our lovely strawberries. I'm going to be using fresh and frozen strawberries, and this cup for my Ninja holds about 2 cups. So let's aim for 2 cups of strawberries for this recipe. We're going to be adding about a tablespoon of honey, as well as about a tablespoon of that fresh lemon juice from earlier, or you could add some water. We're just trying to make it easier for us to blend up our strawberries. All right, y'all, let's get to pureeing and blending and mashing them strawberries. Look at that pretty red already coming through and that pink. Y'all, this strawberry lemonade recipe is gonna be bussin'. And it should look something like this once it's blended. Our simple syrup is ready. Our sugar is completely dissolved. We're just gonna take that off the stove and let it cool for a few minutes. So y'all, let's get to adding our fresh lemon juice to our pitcher. We've also added some ice at the bottom just to get it cool. And now we're going to be adding our simple syrup as well. That's 2 cups. Let's go ahead and add in our strawberries. You could also puree them if you don't like the pulp and stuff. But I like the whole thing. I like mine strong. And we're going to be adding in about a couple more cups of water. I just used the same cup as my strawberries were in. We're going to give that a nice stir. And you can add 2, 3, 4, 5 more cups of water. Just depends on how diluted you want yours to be. But look how pretty it is, y'all. It's giving spring. It's giving summer. It's giving picnic vibes. So good, y'all. This recipe is super simple. And here I have my cute little cup. I put a slice of lemon and strawberry on the side. We're going to do a little pour. And look at it, y'all. Look at it. I love me some lemonade. It's one of my favorite drinks ever. And don't forget to add a little decoration, cute little umbrella on the side as well. And y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.